To use the Ria Money Transfer app, start by downloading and installing it from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and click on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing a valid government-issued ID. This is a security measure to prevent fraud and ensure that your transactions are secure. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed to add your payment methods, such as a bank account or credit card. To send money, click on the Send Money button and enter the recipient's name and location. You will also need to enter the amount you want to send and select the payment method. The app will then provide you with a quote and the estimated delivery time. Review the details carefully before confirming the transaction. The Ria Money Transfer app also allows you to track your transactions in real time. You can view the status of your transfers, including when the money is sent, received, and any issues that may arise during the process. Additionally, the app provides customer support through live chat, phone, or email, so you can get help whenever you need it. To receive money, the recipient will need to provide you with their Ria Money Transfer reference number. You can then use this number to track the status of the transfer and pick up the cash at a local Ria agent location. It is essential to ensure that you are sending money to a trusted recipient and that you have a clear understanding of the fees and exchange rates associated with the transfer. Best practices for using the Ria Money Transfer app include keeping your account information and password secure, monitoring your transactions regularly, and being cautious when sending money to unknown recipients. By following these steps and guidelines, you can use the Ria Money Transfer app safely and efficiently to send and receive money across the globe.